Good morning. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet family channel. Today, well, should I put this on the family channel or the other one? Either way, subscribe to both. We're going to go out and clean some cars and bring you guys along. I hope you enjoy. Roll that intro. Alright, we got the work crew out here today. Whew! We got Riley helping. He's cleaning off parts of the Jeep. Cohen's helping clean off the snow of the... Ooh! Nissan, careful there, Slick. But this is going to be the fun one. We're going to come out here. Oh my goodness, this is slick. How about fell, about biffed it. And we're going to clean off the Corvette, which has been completely untouched. And look at the icicles. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. It's so cool. It's definitely snowed in right now. We'll do a little bit of shoveling. Might try to get the quad out, see if it'll run, see if we can drive it in the snow. As for the roads though, the roads are looking good. Ours are... Oh, it looks like they actually came and plowed them a little bit. So that's kind of nice. We need to do a little bit more to them, but that's alright. But we need to actually dig the Nissan out, so Cohen's helping me clean it off. Then we're gonna try and dig it out of here, drive it out. Audie's working away too. He's up here cleaning the front steps off, and he's gonna make a path from the front door over here to the mailbox over there, and then one over to this way. Audie's over there on the front porch. So we're doing snow crew moving today. All that gunk. Oh man. Look at Cohen's job here. He's getting this right off of there. Very nice. Lily came out and started helping Audie. Riley has got the ice knocked off the Jeep, and now we're digging out the windshield wipers of the Nissan. There, you got it? Yep. Oh yeah, beautiful. Way to go. What, Charlie? You got a ball? Yeah, look at that. There we go. Jeep, versatile. Amphibious. Keep on coming, keep on coming, keep on coming, keep on coming. Keep on coming. Yep, keep on coming. Yep, that's good. Yeah, look at that. Now we can jumpstart the Nissan, because the Nissan's dead. Yeah, dude. But this crew right here, whew, they kicked some tushy and got it clean. And look at that crew over there. They are making a path. Let's go, baby. Let's grab the jumper cables. Yeah, you should have said something. We were on video. Well, you know what? Watch this. Lily, you can't watch this though.
Watching, Lily.
Hey, I'm missing out on all the fun. Oh, Lily, ouch. That hurt my butt. Woo! Yeah. Get it. Let's see, Colin. Yeah. Oof! There's a snow cone. Hey, wait. Oh. And Lily's still down. Do you need help up? She sprained her ankle. Hey guys, get off the road. Go in. That was so cool. I literally just caught the clip of him doing that. Oh! Backflipping into the hill. Doesn't that hurt? Sounds very rough. I'm not gonna try it, but thank you. Thank you for offering. Come on, that's gonna be more ice up at the top than fluffy white snow. Lily, are you sure you're good? Run quick. Okay. Yep. They're playing on a big snow pile now. Oh, all right. We got a little rolling monkey. Oh, Lily just tried to slide down it. That's hilarious. Sorry, it's hard to hold the camera with these gloves. Well, they ran right over this little piece here and went. Lily missed her step because she sunk and fell right there. Alright, well, everybody else is off building snowmen now. Whew. They helped clean off the Corvette. For the most part, there's still that big chunk of ice. Just to give you guys an idea of how big, thick that ice was, look at the wing. That's about how much ice was caked over the whole car. Whoa, let's give this thing a try now. Okay, good news, we're in and about falling. Woo. All right, let's give this a try. Come on, baby. You can do it. Woohoo! Man, she was not very happy about that. That's a cold start. Woo. Oh my goodness.
Going. Oh, you stopped. You weren't that close.
How do you know how to drive on snow? You drive a Corvette.
Riley, go help Audie. No, Riley will need to. It's giant.
Alright, got parked. I'll try. Well, that was exciting fun. We got a little bit to clean up. And then we got some basketball to go to. So if you want to see the basketball game, head over to the Vette family channel. Corvette we did have plugged in over here, but we couldn't get it back over here. It just wouldn't go. So we ended up just towing it all the way over there. And this cord, we're gonna run to the Nissan. We'll run that to the Nissan from the garage and get it some power because it also needs a battery tender put on it. Jeep, however, it's good to go. It's a beast. We just need some better tires and it'll be even more fun. So if you guys enjoyed this video, click the red subscribe button. Don't forget to Salt Life sticker this because you know, we're covered in salt and need a bath badly. Click the red subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day. God bless y'all. What is that? Peace. Icicle.